हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। स्टूडेंट्स, अब हम करेंगे डेवलपमेंट के मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज जो बोर्ड के हिसाब से काफ़ी ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट डेवलपमेंट एमसीक्यूज। So first question is, which of the following statements define sustainable development? A option is sustainable use of natural resources without considering the need of the future generation. B option, present generation fulfill its needs while considering the need of the future generation as well. C option, it means utilization of natural resources by the past, present, and forthcoming future generation. D option, to meet the needs of the future generation, even if the needs of present generation do unmeet. So B option is the correct option. Sustainable development होती है present generation fulfill its needs while considering the needs of the future generation as well. Now second question is, the number of deaths of children less than 1 year of age per thousand live deaths is live births is refers as A option life expectancy, B option infant mortality rate, C option human development index HDI, D option attendance ratio. So B option is the correct option, infant mortality rate. Now third question is, development of a country can generally be determined by A option its per capita income, B option its average literacy level, C option health status of its people, D option all of the above. So A option is the correct option, its per capita income. Now fourth question is, which of the following neighboring countries has better performance in terms of human development than India? ए ऑप्शन बांग्लादेश, बी ऑप्शन श्रीलंका, सी ऑप्शन नेपाल या फिर डी ऑप्शन पाकिस्तान. So B option is the correct option. Sri Lanka is the neighboring country that has better performance in terms of human development than India. Now fifth question is, per capita income is also known as A option marginal income, B option average income, C option income distribution parameter. So B option is the correct option, average income. Now sixth question is, what is the full form of UNDP? A option Union National Global Development, B option United Nations Global Development Network, C option United States National Development Project, D option Unions of Nations for Global Development. So B option is the correct option, United Nations Global Development Network. Seventh question is, what will be the top priority in the development goal of landless laborers? A option expansion of rural banking, B option more days of work and better wages, C option metal road for transportation, D option establishment of higher school. So B option is the correct option, more days of work and better wages. Now eighth question is, pick out the correct meaning listed below to define average income. A option is average income of country means total income of the country. B option, average income in country is the income of only employed people. C option, the average income is the same as per capita income. D option, the average income includes the value of property held. So C option is the correct option. Average income means the average income is the same as per capita income. Now ninth question is, HDI stands for Human Development Index that focus on fill in the blanks with one of the following option. A option life expectancy, B option gross enrollment ratio for 3 levels of schooling, C option national income या फिर D option all of the above. So D option is the correct option. Human development index इन तीनों में है, लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी में भी, ग्रोस इनरोलमेंट में भी, रेशियो में एंड नेशनल इनकम में भी. Now 10th question is countries with higher income are dash than others with less income. A option less developed, B option more developed, C option less stronger या फिर D option more organized. So B option is the correct option. Countries with higher income are more developed than other with less income. सो स्टूडेंट्स ये थी आपके साथ मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस ऑफ डेवलपमेंट. आई होप यू लाइक इट. इफ यू लाइक इट देन सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल फॉर मोर इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस. थैंक यू सो मच.